Yeah. Use this hand now to demonstrate these structures. I want you to take a look. So again, anytime I want to find anything, I have some sort of landmark to help me. So this is the what? Flexor carpi ulnaris. So I just flip it over and look, and I see the ulnar nerve. See there? And I see it's giving off. So this is the nerve, and it's giving off the dorsal cutaneous branch. And look where it's going. It's gone all the way to the back of the hand. This is it here, coming around here to the back of the hand. See that? That's the dorsal cutaneous branch. And then now at the wrist, it normally gives off the little palmar cutaneous branch, which is a thread. Often that branch comes off with the skin, so we sometimes don't see it, right? But I want you to look closely now and see what happens to the ulnar nerve after giving off the palmar cutaneous branch. Look what it does. It enters the hand now, but it's passing through a specific part of the wrist to enter the hand. Remember we said the median nerve entered the hand by passing through the what? Carpal tunnel. The ulnar nerve enters the hand by passing through Guyon's tunnel. Guyon's tunnel. And so it passes through Guyon's tunnel. Anybody know where Guyon's tunnel is found? Where you find it? Between what and what? So Guyon's tunnel, guys, is found between the pisiform bone and the hook of the hamate. It's between the pisiform and the hook of the hamate. And it's actually superficial to the flexor retinaculum. So the ulnar nerve enters the hand by passing over the flexor retinaculum, but between the pisiform and the hook of the hamate. Now look what happens, guys, as soon as the nerve enters the hand. Everybody, take a look. Hope you guys can see. Look, this is the nerve entering the hand now. That's the nerve there. And look what it does immediately. Look what it does. See, it's giving off this branch here. So it's giving off this branch, which is the superficial branch, and this branch here, which is the deep branch. You see it? So this is the deep branch resting on the probe. That's the deep branch, this one. See it? And this is the superficial branch. Let's talk a little bit about the superficial branch first. So as it emerges from Guyon's tunnel, the nerve divides into its two terminal branches, a deep branch and a superficial branch. Yeah. 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 Yeah.